Hi, my name is Mohammed.
Hello, my name is Islam.
Hi, my name is Syed Mohammed Usman.
My name is Mian.
Hi everyone, my name is Kaswa Ali.
Hi, my name is Qutb Jamil. Over these past 2 days, I've been attending a program conducted by KFI Global.
I enjoyed the workshop about money management a lot because it helped me gain a better understanding about money, why and where I should use it.
When I did come into the session, I was surprised by how much I enjoyed the session, mainly because of how interactive the session was and how good the delivery was.
To be honest, it was pretty straightforward, and I'm glad I learned a straight and fast way of how to manage my money and how can I be smart about it.
I really enjoyed the workshop with the KFI. These past 2 days I actually learned how to manage my money, how to budget my money and everything. So I'm a fan of spending a lot of money, but this time past 2 days I actually learned how to save my money and everything. So the workshop was really amazing. I would recommend for other students to join in as well.
I would really recommend the session to everybody who thinks they know about money, but they should know more. There is always more to learn.
I would really recommend it to every student and every young person who would like to know how to secure their future.
I really enjoyed the KFI program because I found it really engaging and educational, and I would highly recommend other students to join as well and learn as much as they can from Ms. Marilyn.
Thank you for the opportunity to say a few words. Firstly, I'd like to thank the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring an event, and also KFI Global for presenting. The seminar we've just had over the last 5 days is money management, financial management, financial awareness, conducted by Marilyn Pinto as part of the KFI Global Group. It was exceptionally well received by students. It's really a skill set that I think carries people through life. It's an important skill set to have. Understanding money and finance, I think, is critical to business, and also on a personal level. Personal finances, obviously, as you go forward and enter into contracts for mortgages and cars and so on. So I think these are skills that will be very much valued by our students. So once again, thank you for the Dubai Islamic Bank for sponsoring this event. We really appreciate the help and assistance that you've provided, and also the wonderful work that Marilyn has done through the KFI Global Group. So thank you very much on behalf of Curtin Dubai, and hopefully we can repeat and do again next year. So thank you very much.